today, y'all, I am going to finish a pond that I started building for Mother's Day for my aunt. Right now I'm going to get the filter, the soil, the rocks, the plants, everything that I want on it, all that fun stuff. I'm going to check Walmart and Lowe's and see which is cheaper for me to get my supplies. So follow Walmart Super Center. You can enter from one place and exit from the other. I mean, it's tough, but we can do it. So I am at Walmart now, and we are going to pick up some of the rocks slash pebbles, whatever you want to call them. And then we're, oops. That music a little loud. But yeah, we're picking up the rocks, pebbles. We might look for some plants to put there. But yep, so we are working on a budget. So we got these plants, they were $5 a piece. And then I'm gonna get 5 packs of this river pebbles, and they're only $3.97. So I'm getting some of these. Woo! So we got those. And we're gonna get 1 bag of pond pebbles because we think that will look really good as well when you put them together. All right, now we're gonna go over and get some plot and soil, and we'll be good. So now we need some garden soil, but we are working on a budget. So $5.84. This big boy here feeds up to 6 months. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah. Oh, it's not that heavy. Ha. All right, but I do think we're gonna need a new buggy, so I'm about to do that. Also, we got some weed killer here. We're only gonna go with this one because we don't have that, like our pond is small. Like, it's literally for like minnows. So we're not gonna get the 588 kind, but we are gonna go with the 288. So. Yep, follow me. We're gonna go to Lowe's. Right. So all that only costs $56.62, but we still have some more to do. So that was very inexpensive for the supplies that we got. Oh. Okay, so after looking through all of them, I think I'm gonna go with this one because we have a smaller pond. This can go up. Also like this one because it's cheaper, and like I said, we're going on a budget to build this. So, and it also changes colors, so that's the plus. So this is what we're gonna go with. Now let's go find our tree. So we got back home, and now we're about to open up the filter because it's about to rain. We gotta get this done before it starts pouring out. Okay, so there's a lot more pieces than I thought it would be. But yeah, it's LED controlled, so we have the lights here. The instructions. Don't mess it up just because you gotta take it back. Oh, look at the baby. Yeah, perfect. Alrighty. Lay that down. This deck, it looks great, beautiful. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna cut around the tarp. Cut all the way around the tarp. Quickly approaching. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of this potting soil. Well, I probably should have put some gloves on. Put it in there.
Today, if the wind don't blow away, but then it's gonna be cold in the weekend.
So it was just too hard to get out. So I have to cut the plastic that came with the flowers. Oh, this plastic is tough. There we go. Perfect. All right. Now we're gonna take our plant, place it. Perfect. We may need to give it just a little bit more height, so I'm gonna take it. All right. Now we went ahead and put the weed controller down, so I guess it's time to go ahead and start fitting in the pebbles that we have here. Thank you, cameraman. All right, y'all, as you can see, I am dirty, I am nasty, but we are almost close to finishing our pond. We got it looking like this so far, but what we gotta do is we have to go ahead and take a tarp farther in the back corner there, and we have to put some more pebbles down right there, so it'll be all pond in the area. But I'll get back to you on that part. So I got some working gloves on now. We got some more plants to put in our pond. So I have them out like that. I want to say this was done. How does this look? I'll tell you, how does it look? Perfect. Perfect. And I'm just going to do the rest, and you'll see it at the end of the video. All right, everyone. So this is the end of today's video. We are done with the pond for today. So thank you so much for watching my video.